Yes, right in. Basically the controls for driving the train. We've got the brake control, that's the brake handle, goes onto the brake control. That's brake on, brake off. This little gadget here is nicknamed the spoon, and it is for controlling the forward and reverse. So you put it in and either forward or reverse. That is the gear lever. We have 4 gears, 1, 2, 3, 4 and neutral. We have the horn. We have the throttle, also acts as a dead man's operation. So you've got to hold it down all the time, or else if the driver, something happens to the driver, he collapses or something, his hand will come off like that, and after about 7 seconds the brakes will be automatically applied. We have switches on the panel here. We have one for the headlight, one for marker lights, we have white when we're going forward, and we have red for when we're going the other way. We have cab heater and destination blind up there, telling you where the train's going to. Yep. Vacuum got down a bit with us, just looking about. What's up with him? In first gear, that's it. Brake off, right round, and then throttle back. Pull your throttle back, yeah, and pull it right back. I don't think it'll slip, the rails are a bit greasy, but you can usually hear it revving up. Pull it right back, that's it. When you get your rev counter up to about there, pull your throttle right back, that's it. Now wait till your needle's gone down to black, then you can put it into second gear. That's it. That's it. And then you throttle back. Have you driven one before?
No. Just take direction. Do as I'm told.
Alright. Yeah, now this is Ham Hall, which has a 10 on it, speed limit. So throttle right off. No, hold that down though. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Put it into fourth for coasting. That's it, because your gear box is straight through now. Just let it coast up to the crossing. And it's a bit late in coming on. The track circuit's very short here, so the light should come on. We're about 10 out, so we're alright.
Yeah, it's just coasting along.
Yeah.
So is this going down, or is it on the level here?
We're about level, I think here. Is it about level here, Norman?
Yeah, you're
going slightly up, so you speed up. Once you get to 10, we can put it into second gear and just put a little bit of throttle.
Where's your whistle board on this one?
Yeah, it's missing. Go on, give it a go. That's it. That's it. Right, put it in second gear. That's it, and a little bit of throttle, and just watch your speed. Now, as soon as you see the traffic, the crossing's clear, you can pull your throttle back. Wait till we get right up to it. Pull it back one notch, just keep it at 10. Right, you can pull it back now, yeah. Your rev counter, and as soon as you're up nearly about 1600 revs, don't panic, just put it, that's it, because you have to, it's about 7 seconds before it takes hold, so you're pull your throttle back. Right back, that's it. Now you can change if you want. knock your throttle right off, and let your then you get into the black, and then put it into third gear, then wait a couple of seconds, and then pull your throttle back. See? Just watch your speed up, because 25 is, yeah. Won't take you long, I don't think.
There's much more to this than just doing these bits.
Yeah, this is the hardest one to get used to. Obviously, we're not using it much today, but you know, it's the one that I found was a difficult one. That was an aeroplane. Give it a bit more, just pull it back a bit.
So do you have to change down gear before you brake or after you brake? Or you just,
no, you don't change down.
Get rid of the throttle.
Yeah, that's it. Because it has a fluid flywheel. Right, throttle off, put it into fourth, we're coasting. Give the lads a good blast on the horn. Just keep behind the gate. If the game's out, if you don't get a green flag, we've got to stop at the stop bar. You must not go past it. They should give you a green flag. Give a little bit of brake application, just bring it round till you hear it taking hold. That's it. Bit more. That's it. Now you can knock your brake off, it'll glide in. That's it. Don't know where they're at, Norman. No, I'll leave it in second.
Alright, sorry.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, creep up to the stop board, we'll have to stop. Norman will get out and on the way. Right, throttle off, put it into fourth. That's it. You get all of your hands and get ready to just about go. But
it's sensing it, isn't it?
That's it. Yeah.
Because you just bleed just a little bit off.
Yeah, and it carries on. You see, wherever you put it, when you put it, a little bit more, bit more. Then we got down the finger. That's it. Now then, just let it go. You can stop on its own. Yeah. Pull your brake, hand lever back and stop it now. That's it. That's it. Now put your gear lever into neutral. No, leave your brake.
Sorry.
You can either hold it on 15 or knock it right off.
Right.
Norman will get out and do the brakes. Brake off, right off, and throttle back. That's it.
And then just let it coast.
Yeah, we can pull it, you can go a bit further. Yeah. Right, let it coast, pull your gear into fourth, throttle right back into fourth. That's it. Actually, once you get down to below 10, you can put it into neutral actually if you want as well. That's it. So we stop before we hit the board. Try and go as far up to it as you can. Knock your brake right off. Give it into first, just give it, it'll creep up on its own, it'll creep up on its own, now knock it back up again. That's it. Yeah, you need it. So just a bit, pull your brake back till it, that's it. Further. You can take it right down because we stopped, you know, we were packing in, so you know the other way.